Hi, this is Ian Thompson with RE/MAX Professionals. I talk to a lot of people about downsizing, and some of the people say, I don't want to spend all my money I've saved for my retirement on a house. I want to be able to buy something, do some renovating, and then travel. Good news today, in Sharman Park, unit number 127 is just coming on the market. It's an opportunity to do your own updating, save some money, and enjoy this terrific location. Low traffic streets and right by the Superstore. Let's have a look inside. Sharman Park has a great reputation for senior living with nice flat roads, great for walking and get-togethers, and the location with the Superstore, walking to all your grocery needs. This could be the one. Call your agent to book a viewing today at number 127 Sharman Park.